Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcomes you to Easy Money. Today, markets were more or less flat, but clear signs of distribution was seen in large cap stocks. If you see the Nifty closing, we in fact saw a down close of about 45 points on Nifty, closing at around 15,815, whereas Bank Nifty closed more or less flat at 35,360, which more or less was unchanged from last week level. However, market was very closely looking into Nirmala Sitharaman candle, if any, to get created. Yes, when our finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman spoke at 3 p.m. Big moves were expected as usual, but then today market had nothing, neither to just move up heavily or come down. In fact, Sitharaman announced a package of about 1.1 lakh crore guarantee for COVID hit sectors, and then some of the measures taken last year got extended. Now, I want to tell you, see what is happening and how is the market getting positioned. In fact, Reliance and HDFC Bank, the heavyweights, continue clear signs of selling, and Reliance Industry continued even today, which was the third day after AGM, that it is down. Yes, the support which we are told on Reliance Industry comes at around 2050 to 2000 zone. Let us look at charts of Reliance Industry, and if you see clearly, this is the AGM day when we had some amount of correction or just before that, and 3 days of continuous sell off. Even if you take from the top, we have now the fifth red candle, that is fifth day continuously Reliance is down. But observe one very peculiar feature here, as Reliance is coming down from those levels of 2260 when I was shouting for a clear exit for short term. From there we have seen 5 continuous big red candles. However, the only good thing is volumes are not rising, rather it is falling. In fact, today's volume is more or less on an average equal to its average volumes which are generally traded in Reliance. However, I can tell you we are very closer to the 20-day moving average and also support, which will emerge to Reliance closer to around 2050 to 2070 zone, and today close at around 2086. It is hardly another 20-30 points move which can happen on Reliance to stake the strong supported zones of 2050 to 2070. If you consider now also the FII data for the day, yes, there were net sellers to the extent of 1658 crore. However, DIS today have bought to the extent of 1277 crore. We could see definitely stock specific movements to come, and sector specific rotation can also happen in the market. In fact, steel, especially Tata Steel, Vedanta, SAIL, all these things saw some amount of outperformance and upmove as expected and told. Whereas if you see counters which are specifically into PSU banks, they also did some amount of outperformance. However, mid and small caps continued their outperformance today, and clear signs of distribution is seen in large cap and at higher levels. Market has been very volatile, and if you are not flexible and if you are not changing very fast, you will definitely get caught. And this market has rewarded people who are flexible as traders. And let me tell you, the 15,900 zone to 16,000 zone is acting as a huge resistance, and unless you get a specific positive big event which will take the markets out of this range, this type of volatile move can definitely continue for some more days. And let me give you one very big important golden nugget when it comes to trading volatile market: always trade less than 25% of your normal quantity when markets are very volatile. The simplest way to trade a volatile market is, if you are regularly trading 100 quantity of a particular stock, then reduce your quantity to 25 or below that, or if you are trading 1000 quantity of a particular stock, then make it 250 or below. So by reducing your traded quantity to less than 25% of normal quantity, by default you are adjusting for these volatile moves which are happening in market, and by reducing exposure you reduce the risk, and thereby you give more legroom space for the volatility which can take up and down in your asset class. So this is a very big learning I want to share for the day today to you in Easy Money Show. And as we have seen, market is everywhere around that index level, and I see clear signs of resistance and distribution in that zone of 15,900 to 16,000. The risk reward is very poor. For another 100 200 point up move, I don't want to take huge leverage and long position. And you guys will again ask me, you told above 15,830 it is positive, we closed above that for one day on Friday, again we are changing the stance, or again are we looking at 16,000? Guys, I am surely telling you, the risk reward is not favoring a long position. We might go and hit that 100 200 point up move, and for that I don't want to take a huge downside risk, and I'll be very stock specific, lesser in my leverage, and also as suggested already, I will move from low quality to high quality. I will move from momentum stocks to value stocks, and also you have to move from low risky stocks which were there already earlier, and low quality stocks to high quality stocks, mid and small caps to large cap. And again, as I tell you, unless you make this change and portfolio rebalancing, it will be very tough for you to handle, because you should not be the person last left out in the party. More inputs, more updates for you coming up as usual, always in your Easy Money Show. Thanks for watching. We'll come out with more market updates and video tomorrow morning. Take care. Thank you and good night.